Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will see how you can easily check the health of your GPU on a Windows computer using some built-in tools and simple methods. There are different methods available by which you can check GPU health on a Windows computer, and in this video, I will show you 4 simple ways to do that. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Method 1. Using the DirectX diagnostic tool. The first way to check your GPU health is by using the DirectX diagnostic tool. This tool is mainly used to test DirectX functionality and troubleshoot sound and video-related hardware issues, but it can also help you check your graphics card status. To open it, press the Windows + R keys on your keyboard to launch the Run dialog box. Now type DexDiag and click on OK. The DirectX diagnostic tool will appear on your screen. Here, click on the Display tab. Under this tab, you will see complete information about your GPU, such as the name, manufacturer, driver version, and memory details. Scroll down a bit and look at the Notes section. If you see the message, "No problems found," it means the tool has not detected any issues with your GPU. Method 2. Using Device Manager. Another way to check your GPU status is by using the Device Manager. For this, right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand the Display Adapters section. Now right-click on your graphics card and select Properties. Under the General tab, look at the Device Status section. If it shows the message, "This device is working properly," then your graphics card is functioning correctly. However, if you see any warning or error message, it could indicate a software or hardware-related issue. Keep in mind that an error message does not always mean your GPU is damaged. Sometimes it can simply be due to a corrupted or outdated driver. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.